So we're going to talk a little bit about whether we should be bouncing on our toes or whether our heels go down. Now, I think that some of you might know already about which one you would do with the front straight leg kick.
When we perform a straight leg front kick, the very first thing that you need to indicate to your clients, other than let's kick to the front of the body, is to make sure that they're bouncing on their toes. So a straight front leg kick, you're up on your toes. Have a look at this. It feels great because I feel like I've got that spring to my motion. If I try and bring my heels down with a big kick to the front of the body like that, it feels very, very different.
And once you watch the jarring that's now happening in my knees, I'm not sure if you can see that jarring motion that's happening in the knees. Boom, boom. It's really uncomfortable. And your hamstrings really feel this as well.
And what it requires is a reasonable amount of hamstring flexibility. And there's a bit more of a jar, and I don't feel like springing to come back up again. So when you indicate which foot action needs to happen on the bottom of the pool, you need to be on your toes, not bringing your heels down with the big straight leg front kick.
So it's definitely a toe action, and it's important that you do not indicate to participants bring their heels down because of some sort of preconceived idea that, oh, but I'll get a cramp in my calf. You won't get a cramp in your calf. What you will get if you try and get your heels down to the bottom of the pool with the big straight front leg kick, and we need to make sure we identify that. This is where you want that really big motion, that real vertical lift up out of the water. You want to be on your toes because it's going to give you that spring. You're going to be able to activate through the arches of your feet, which are made of fascia, and that's what's going to give you the spring and lift up out of the water.